In this video, we're going to walk through how to process 1099s using QuickBooks. So if you had independent contractors that worked for you in the year 2025 for this recording, and they made over $600, you may be liable for sending them a 1099 return by the IRS deadline. So I'm going to show you how to do that in QuickBooks Online. I've logged into my client's account. We are going to go over to expenses, and it automatically takes you into the expenses and bills pay overview, but you can just expand the window on the left and then go down to 1099s. And if this is your first time going into the 1099 screen for this year, for this filing season, you'll be prompted to either autofill the forms or prep your own via QuickBooks. And it's kind of up to you which method you want to use, but I would recommend the autofill option and let the system that you're paying for do some of the work for you. So your step one is to verify your business details, the company name, email address, business address, and the EIN number for the business. And then you'll confirm that all that is accurate, and then you'll start your filing. QuickBooks is doing its thing. It's scanning for vendors, payments, filtering out credit card transactions because we don't need to include those in a 1099, mapping accounts and creating your forms. So it goes through that process. All those steps have a green check, and we'll click view results in the bottom right corner. And this is the result of my quick run through. Of course, things are blurred, so privacy is maintained for my client and my client contractors. But you'll see that a couple of the contractors, you may see a blurred red dot in the background, and that's just saying we don't have a W-9 here in QBO for this client, but I've already confirmed with my client, so we have everything we need for the contractors. So I'll just be putting that in manually. And I'm going to cross-reference the numbers that QBO has here with the triple checks that we did behind the scenes here at the firm. So this client also uses bill.com. We've already referenced the numbers between bill and QBO and the bank accounts to ensure that our numbers are accurate. And I'm just going to make sure that the little scan that was just done matches our figures. So all of the figures have been cross-referenced. And I did attempt to manually upload W-9 information for the one contractor that's missing it, but it wouldn't let me. So all I could do was send a reminder. So we're going to move forward with the ones that are ready to go, ready to file, it says. And I'll say I've reviewed and I'm ready to file. And then you'll see it takes you to your filing requirements for the specific states. If there's something required in states for your contractors, you'll see it here. And it's just letting you know that there's an action that's going to be required after the federal e-file because of where this contractor is located. Go ahead and click next. And then it's letting me know that this is the amount that it comes out to be for this feature for this client's QBO level that they've signed up for. So this is their price to e-file. And then I'm just going to purchase and e-file those. And we are going to view the summary and also view the submitted 1099s so that our client can also send these out to their contractors electronically. Even though it will be mailed, they will be mailed on the client's behalf by QBO. And you can go to each contractor and open each individual 1099, NEC, or whatever have you, and send those out to your contractors. So that is how you will file 1099 forms for your contractors using QuickBooks Online.